Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 OneDrive icon missing from taskbar. First method is, check taskbar hidden icons. Second method is, right-click taskbar, click taskbar settings. Click select which icons appear on the taskbar. Turn on Microsoft OneDrive. Third method is, right-click Start button, click Run. Type %local app data %. Open Microsoft folder. Open OneDrive folder. Open OneDrive.exe. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.